Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. Lost another tree. Had some bad weather here in Carolina, and this one's fell across the road, so I'm not gonna have to worry with it for the most part. But it's just another oak tree. Man, I was sick about that. But I've called everybody who's supposed to be here, so they'll be on their way. I'm trying to keep everybody safe. But it's got the whole road blocked, so I'm just out here kind of with my flashlight letting people know. One of my neighbors just come up and wanted to talk, who knows. But I want to let them cut it and put it with that other one. It ain't gonna bother me none. I'll just burn everything together. Gosh, I've lost now probably 40% of my tree canopy I used to have. I wish I could find this old picture I had. That was an aerial shot, how many trees were around back then, and that shot was done, now it would be like 44 years ago, with some of the buildings that were on the property that are no longer here. And now I'm just keep losing trees, but whatever I plant, it's gonna be something, either apples or pecan trees, something I at least can eat. So thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.